What's up, y'all? It's Jullien from the Multifamily Movement, aka your property brother, aka Mr. Multifamily, and I just want to celebrate with y'all. You see this fiveplex right behind me? Well, guess who just got the keys, homie? I just got the keys. This has been an amazing year, 2019. This is my sixth purchase of the year. This is my first fiveplex ever. I got 3 fourplexes this year and 2 doubles, so that's 21 doors in the past year. And guess what? 2019 ain't even over. I'm in contract on another property, which is another fourplex, so we can have 25 doors in this year. So let me go in here real quick, and I'm gonna show you this first unit. Now, 2 of the units are not occupied, and so those are the ones that I'm gonna start doing the construction on. And this one doesn't even have electricity, so this video may be in the dark. This unit here is actually a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. These are smaller units for more like a single type tenant, student, etc. It's right off the canal, which is a major street in New Orleans. But this is this is like living room here, and then this would be the bedroom here. And then we got the kitchen here. Now, what's beautiful about this and what I saw inside this deal is that a lot of the kitchens are really small. And your kitchen and your bathroom are going to be 2 of the most expensive places to renovate. And because the kitchens are small, my renovation budget to make this an absolutely amazing space for perhaps a single person or even 2 people dating or newly married, it's going to be very cost efficient. So I got to change these countertops, probably change the cabinets, or maybe able to paint the cabinets and put some nice handles on them. We're definitely changing the sink basin, probably change the appliances here, and I'll do that for each unit. Again, I'm going to start with the 2 units that are not occupied, and then for now I'll let the other 3 units actually cover the mortgage. Those rents from those 3 units will cover the mortgage, so I won't be cash flowing during this construction phase. This property won't probably start cash flowing in an amazing way until 6 months later when I refinance and pull out as much of my money as possible. Now, when I run the numbers, I got this for $345,000 with 25% down, and I think with my renovation budget of around $55,000, which will be $400 in, I'll probably be able to get the price or the value, the after repair value, up to maybe $525. So this won't be a perfect BRRRR. A perfect BRRRR is when you actually pull out all of your money, you have no money in the deal. This won't be a perfect BRRRR, but at the end of the day, my equivalent down payment will be about 10% instead of 25%, and I'll have a lot of my money pulled out of the deal. So I'm really excited about this. It's going to be a 6-month project to get this space looking absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to start to get in here. In fact, as soon as this video is done, I'm going to start taking measurements of the kitchen and start laying everything out, start making purchases or design decisions and then purchases to get this underway. Hopefully we can get these first 2 units done before the end of December. Of course, there are holidays coming up, and get them rented by January. So that's the goal. That's what I'll be focused on. So just wanted to share this part of the journey with you. And if you're looking to get into multifamily real estate, I'll be happy to help. I have a webinar that I do periodically at multifamilymasterplan.com. That's multifamilymasterplan.com. I'll teach you how to finance, find, and finalize multifamily real estate deals just like this one and the other 5 that I've done this year. I got 1 more coming, so stay tuned, all right? So again, that's multifamilymasterplan.com, and I will catch you soon, all right? Much love, y'all. Peace.